Welcome to the Evince Site Scanner basic training video. In this video, we are going to show you the basic aspects and the power of the Evince Site Scanner. You will learn how to create a simple scan of your website, analyze the report generated, and inspect the results. We're going to assume that you have already created an account for the Site Scanner. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you need to analyze this entire demo website for accessibility issues. The website has several different pages, like customers, projects, etc. First, sign into the Evince Site Scanner. Click on Add Property, then enter the URL of the site you would like to test. In this case, we are using evincedemo.evince.com. And now, simply start mapping. The default settings enable you to crawl up to 1,500 pages and remain in the context of your seed domain. You can change the default configuration in the Advanced Settings section. To learn more about how to do that, please watch the Advanced Settings training video. Evince will now crawl your entire website and create a list of the URLs. Click on Scan to analyze these pages for accessibility issues. Let's take a look at the report Evince has created in our demo scan. To open it, click on the report name. In the Overview section, we can see the number of pages analyzed, the number of pages with issues found, and the number of issues in total. In this case, the total number of issues that Evince found is 18,206. We can also see the number of pages impacted sorted by the level of issue severity, as well as issue types. Then we see a breakdown of the issues by severity, categorized into critical, serious, moderate, and minor. In this example, Evince has discovered 81% critical, 15% serious, and 3% minor issues. Exploring the types of issues, we can see that beyond the common issues, like missing alt text, we have discovered the harder to find keyboard accessible and interactable role issues. Out of the total number of issues, 43% are interactable role issues. So people using a screen reader are simply unable to access these elements. Overall, in this case, the number of critical issues that the Evince Site Scanner has detected is 15 times higher than what could be achieved with any traditional legacy axe-based scanning tool. Lastly, Evince Site Scanner traces all the issues and clusters them into repeating code patterns called components. All the issues found in this case have been reduced to simply 14 components. This one specific component here covers thousands of interactable role, keyboard accessible, and color contrast issues. Now, focusing only on the critical components, we see that the top 3 components cover more than 80% of the critical issues. This makes prioritization across the developer teams a lot simpler and more effective. Further down in the report, you can assess the top issues by type, as well as the pages with the largest number of issues. More drill-down details can be reached through the drop-down menu at the top of the page, where you can find the next 4 sections for components, issue types, pages, and all issues. To better understand these, you can watch the next video on understanding details. If you want to analyze any of this data on your own, or share it with others, you can download a CSV file. Groundbreaking technology saves time. Sign up for a free trial or contact us for a demo.